Hi, this is James Lorry of JRL UK Commercials, Darlington, England. Just a quick video to show you a DAF 7.5 ton insulated multi-temperature fridge box we have in stock. It's a 2014 lorry, Euro 5 emissions and LEZ compliant for London here in the UK. It's 6-stud axle, 160 horsepower engine fitted with a manual gearbox. It's fitted with a 20-foot insulated Solomon fridge body. Very clean example. Rear roller shutter door. It's a multi-temperature body with one insulated divider internally. Clean on the body, exceptionally clean on the cab, and with the benefit of having the manual gearbox and the steel suspension, has an unladen weight of 5,360 kg, giving a payload of 2,140 kg in exceptionally clean condition throughout. For more details and more images, log on to www.jrluk.com. Thank you.